Hello, hola. Miss Vaz here with your instructions for the presentation 3. So we're gonna work this time talking about mm, numbers in commands. Yeah, certain commands that we have in class. So we're going to the corner down here, and so it says, do not forget to report your attendance. First of all, first thing, report your attendance. So click right here. Please pause your video right now. Click right here and report your attendance. Now that that's done, here's the description what you're gonna learn this time. And you're gonna go to your book and you are going to find your activities. So the first activities that you have, so we're going to the presentation. We completed presentation 1 and 2. We're going to presentation 3. The first thing that you have is the page 6 that talks about the commands. I'm going to show them to you in a minute. And then the numbers. Now, for the numbers, I also added this to your class plan. I added this to your class plan so you have your numbers organized in tens. So these ones from 1 to 10, then 11 to 20, 21 to 30, and 31 to 40. You may remember that from last year. And then just tens, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 because all the numbers after this, the 30s, behave the same. So I didn't repeat them, but you probably remember that from last year. And if you don't, here is their picture, your image that can help you. So I posted that on the class plan. Okay, so that's the number. So you have an activity. I'm going to try to go over all the activities so you know how to do it. So that's it. It's very important that you watch the video. But if you still have questions, you know you can contact me. Let's go with this one. The first activity. Yeah, that was not the first activity. This is the first activity. So now I open it for you. And this one says to complete the speaking activity, first open the e-text link, then review the tasks and directions. So you're going to go to the e-text, that is your book, and you're gonna look at pages 6 and 7. I think that the color-coded chart that I put there may help you, but you know you can open the text. So you're going to record the numerical sequences. So for example, you have a number 1, you have a blank, and you have a number 3. What goes in the middle? 1, 2, 3. And then you have a number 6, a blank, and an 8. What goes in the middle? So you're going to record it. For example, for the number 1. Number 1, 1, 2, 3. Number 2, 6, 7, 8, and so on. When you finish recording, you stop the recording right here. You listen to it. Number 1, 1, 2, 3. Number 2, 6, 7, 8, and so on. When you finish recording, you stop the recording. And you can listen to it. I don't think you don't have any other attempts here. So try doing it right the first time, okay? So that is for that activity. Well, the next activity is similar to the one that we just saw. So it's talking about numbers. It says that you're going to do it with a partner, but you're not doing it with a partner. You're going to just to complete the sequence and just record it. So you're going to do the same. You're going to find what goes in the middle and the blank, and then you're just going to say this sequence, the whole sequence. So record, and that's it. Your next activity is a reading activity, and you just need to choose. You look at the picture, you look at the image, and then you have some options here, and you're going to select the one that matches the image according to what you see in the picture in the image. I recommend you then you first look at all the images before you start choosing. So you choose whatever. For example, in this one, let's say that you're saying silencio por favor, and then you choose the other ones. Okay, so look at the images and then you just click next, and that will give you the results you have completed. Okay, wanna wait because my internet is really slow today for some reason. So just oh, here it is. So it tells you how many you answered. You answered only one. You need to answer 5. Okay, let's move to the next activity. This next activity is gonna ask you if you wanna still proceed because it takes you to another site. So you just click. It gives you this question. So you just say okay, and it's gonna open in a new window. And when you get to the new window, you're going to click continue, and then you're going to complete that. And this one has some just math operations and problems, and then you just need to complete them. Let's see right here. Just need to follow the directions like the problems and then complete it and give the answer. I had to pause again. Okay, it actually gives you the answers. You just need to match these answers with the operations here, the problems, and that's it. Okay, that's all for that one. I'll close that one, and let's go to see if we have more, because I think that's all for the presentation 3. Yeah, that's all for the presentation 3. So I hope this helps. Please go to the book. Let me show you. Let's see how fast we can go to see the book right here, the e-text. You just click on Realidades Level 1, and there you can find your pages. So okay, I thought it was going to take longer. Yes, it was taking too long. So I just, since you still have access in your activities, I check the boxes for the presentation. So you have access to those pages in your activities. So you just need to go back to your activities, and when you find the presentation, you can find what you need. So that's all for now. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.